Right, so welcome back to Black Stag Styling. Thanks for joining us for another one of our videos. Today we have a Ford Transit Custom Sport. A few little bits on it, starting with the front grille here. The replacement genuine Ford grille. So we'll be removing the front bumper to fit that. Sticking with the front, we've got the lower front splitter, Maxton part going on. Nice quality part, the Maxton bits. To match those, we have the rear corner splitters to go on as well. Set of wind deflectors, and then to finish off, we've got a set of rear barn door spoilers to be painted gloss black. I think, yeah, gloss black, and then fit to the van. So yeah, a few bits to go on, but we'll crack on. It'll be a bit of a short video, this one, but we'll crack on, get them all fitted. Roll the intros.
Right, the guys are now taking the front bumper off, as you can see. So quite a few screws and fixings to get this off. Then it will be changing the grille out for the new Ford grille, as you saw a moment ago with a young Adam. Genuine Ford grille going in, because these fit nicely. But it is a bumper off. We often get asked, can't you just pull the grille out? You can if you want to break all the clips and damage the bumper. Proper way to do it is take the bumper off the vehicle. So the guys are now doing that, as you can see. A little bit fiddly, make sure everything's disconnected. We also have, sitting over here, our Maxton front splitter. The guys have already test fitted that. That's what the yellow marker pen is. That's all been test fitted on. And oh, here comes Troy. Troy's here to help. They'd be lost without Troy. Troy's recently joined the Black Stag and AW team, particularly for his good looks. Isn't that right, lads?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you love it, really. He's just getting his legs stroked by Bill. Here he is, look. Hello, Troy.
Hello.
Won't be long, he'll be used to being filmed. He might already be used to being filmed, who knows?
Yeah. You just have to be age verified now.
Right, that should be now all ready to come off. We got our trestle, as you saw, just behind there with the bubble wrap on so we don't damage anything. There we go. She's off. There you go, they've been lost without Troy there, wouldn't you, lads? There we go. And then it'll be time to strip the old grille out, get the new one in. Right, so Fraser's now getting the sort of like the grille support panel. I don't know if that's what you'd call it. Like
We'll go with that.
We'll go with that, shall we? Yeah, like a support panel. You can just see he's unclipping it. That runs the whole way across the front of the bumper, and the grille that needs to come out so we can get the grille out. So Fraser's now on that. I'll show you a couple of other bits we've got going on. We've got some wheels we've just finished. So these were silver, and we've now refurbished them and done them in sort of like a satin black. These are for a Jaguar XK RS we have outside. New tyres supplied and fitted as well by our good selves. And then we have some lovely Porsche wheels over here for a customer of ours to go on his 718 Spider. Done in a satin, I've forgotten the name of the colour, but it's a Porsche colour. So like a satin gold, looking really, really lovely. So we've just done them. So that's a full colour change, refurbishment colour change from silver. They could be his winter wheels, so rather flash for winter wheels. There's the old van. Fraser's cracking on, we're getting this all apart. We'll check back in a moment. Right, okay, Francois now getting the grille out. The original grille. A little bit of prying. Not crying, but prying. And he's there we go. Old grill out. And then in a mo, it will be the new grill in. And as if by magic, Fraser has appeared with the new grill. There we go, just lining that up. Getting that all clipped in. I say, because they're a genuine Ford grill, they fit perfectly. Don't have to manoeuvre anything, trim anything, cut anything. Just clip straight in. And then it'll just be a case of getting all the back section back on, and that is the new grill all fitted. Right, we're just over with Sam, who is, well, we'll let him talk through what he's doing. What are we up to, pal?
So I'm just degreasing around the edge of the windows to put the primer on to be able to stick the wind deflectors.
Lovely, lovely. And the reason for degreasing, pal?
Is so we get a nice clean contact, no grit or dirt, so it fits lovely and won't peel off.
Fantastic. The primer we use is good stuff. The primer makes a huge difference with any of the bits which use a tape. Even though a lot of the things, but we don't do this with wind deflectors, but we bond on as well. But with these, you're just relying on the tape, so the primer will make them stick onto it lovely. And it, like Sam's just said, the degrease just gets rid of any rubbish off there as well. Right, there we go. Sam's now getting the primer on, using our little sort of cotton bud. What they call that? Cotton bud things, isn't they?
Yeah, sort
lollipops.
of like yeah, lollipop. Oversized swab.
Yeah.
Although you wouldn't want to do your COVID test with one of these.
And this just puts it on nice and neatly. You don't end up with it all dripping everywhere, basically. Right, Sam's now lining them up, isn't he, mate?
Yes.
He'll just talk us through. Peeled a couple of bits of tape off by the looks of it.
Yeah, so just peeled the edges of the tape off so it's easier to stick down. Line up to my marks, which I put here very helpfully earlier.
Fantastic.
And peel away.
There we go, nicely lined up and now nicely stuck and bonded on. That's the first one on, and then Sam will wipe off the marks and then he'll do the one on the other side. Right, so Fraser is just drilling all the holes and lining everything up, so this isn't being fitted straight away, so it's all about lining it all up, getting all the holes in the right place, and then Fraser will take it back off, get the bonding agent and primer and everything on, and then we'll refit it. That way it will be held on with bonding agent and fixings, metal fixings. It won't be going anywhere, will it, pal?
Well, it'll be going wherever the van goes.
Oh, okay, yeah, good point.
Going somewhere.
Not just here. Right, time to get that front splitter on. Fraswell has already put his primer and a bonding agent on. Saw earlier on he was lining up and drilling the holes, so he can get this straight on and then bolt it all in place. And like I say, the bonding agent and the metal fixings will hold this. It won't be going well, it will be going somewhere, won't it? We've been through this. I said it won't be going anywhere, but Fraser Light informed it'd be going wherever the van going. So there we go. Just see Sam behind there, give us a little wave. Cool. He's a bit of a tool. Oh, sorry, tool. There we go. And then once it's all lined up, they get the old metal fixings in. Sam lining the rear spoilers up as well, just marking where they want to go. They're all now ready in their lovely gloss black. That'll be a case of getting all the primer, getting these bonded on as well. Right, we're now going to get the little sort of side lower bumper spoilers for the Transit. Fraser's already keyed them up, got our primer on there, now putting a bit of bonding agent on there. Got to change the cartridge, no?
No, clean up the nozzle.
Oh, cleaning is, it's just cleaning his nozzle.
Making sure it's nice and clean.
Get a bit of bonding agent on there. That'll be ready to go on to the bumper. Already done all his test fitting and marking everything up, so it's all good to go. Here we go, let's get it onto the van. Right, here we go, getting the first corner section on. Line it all up. And Fraser already drilled his holes, got his bolts to go in, so it's all good to go. These just, you know, work quite nicely with the front lower splitter. They just go on the corners, sort of tie the gloss black finish to the back of the van, along with the spoilers when they go on. I think Sam has already got his primer on there. Yeah, marked everything, got his primer on, ready for the spoilers to go on. He's just getting his spoilers ready just behind us there. And then they'll be getting some bonding agent on them as well. And then, like I say, Fraser's just getting these bolted on. Right, okay, so Sam's now getting the rear spoilers on. Like I say, already got his primer on. We've got our bonding agent all on the spoiler, or the two spoilers. He's pulled his tape, edges of his tape back, as you can see, because then, as he's doing on the other side, he can get it all on. When it's fully lined up and he's happy with where it is, he can just pull the bits of tape out, stick it down, and then the bonding agent with the primer will all set nicely. Right, time to get the bumper back on. Fraser's got his attractive assistant with him. He'll be here later on. There you go, get that all lined up. The Maxton splitter is all on. There she blows. So yeah, just getting the bumper back on, and then we're sort of getting all the bits on. A lot of the stuff's now on and bonded on. It's just be a case of leaving a lot of it overnight to fully set, and then just check everything in the morning.
Right, so we're just doing the sort of final checks on the car now. It's had all the bits go on, front splitters on, window fletters on, rear spoilers. Come and have a look at the rear spoilers. Painting the gloss black.
Let's have a little look, shall we?
Look really nice, and gloss black sort of stands out nicely.
Yeah man, they look cool, don't they?
Yeah, and we got obviously our lower rear little side splitters, and then our front grille. We're just about there now. We'll watch out, Tar. We'll get outside now. It's just to have a wash, a quick clean up, ready for the customers to come and pick it up.
Fantastic, mate. Lovely. We'll do our last bits of filming then.
Yeah, that's super. The customers from Nottingham, I think. So get the train down here tomorrow, picking the vehicle up tomorrow.
Fantastic. Yeah, nice to have some people. We get customers from all over the show, don't we,
all
pal?
Over the show, yeah.
So come and give us a shout.
Far and wide.
Well, some from abroad, didn't we?
Yeah.
Got quite a lot in the UK now, all over the UK.
Back.
Sorry, we can go on holiday.
We've got to deliver it back.
As long as we have got to.
Oh yeah.
Have a nice holiday.
Oh yeah, you're paying.
No, they're paying.
Oh, yeah.
Right, we'll pull it out.
Let's get it out.
Well guys, that brings us to the end of another one of our lovely videos here at Black Stag Styling. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. It's been a pleasure having you along for the ride. And on this occasion, as you've seen, we have been doing this lovely Ford Transit Custom Sport. Already got a few bits and pieces on it. Got a nice set of wheels. The customer has already done, but we have been supplying and fitting a genuine Ford front grille. So it just makes the front end look that little bit nicer than than the standard grille. We've then got on the front and on the back, but on the front we've got our gloss black Maxton Design front splitter, adding just that extra sporty touch to the front end. And then following that along to the rear of the vehicle, we have our Maxton Design gloss black bumper corner splitters. So they're again a nice little add-on, just adding that like sportier touch to the back of the van. We've also on the back, as we're at that end, we have our gloss black Predator spoilers. Of course, these are fitted and bonded, primer all used onto the tops of the rear doors, just adding again that sporty finish to the rear. And that brings us nicely to finish it all off with a set of our tinted wind deflectors. Using our specialist primer, because they've got just a sticky tape that holds them on, or a 3M tape. So we put our primer on there as well, which will keep them fitted on there lovely, not going anywhere. So thank you for checking out the video. We'll give you a last look round the course, just so you can see everything we've done. Then don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel, turn on the old notifications, check out some of our other social media, Instagram, Facebook. Don't forget to check out the website, of course, as well, because there's plenty on there that we get up to. blackstagstyling.co.uk. We'll catch you again soon for another video, so take care.